Hello guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. Another video on how to make a simple cut on a kid, guys. Let's watch the end, guys. Now you take a clipper. This is the first guide, and this is a beginner tutorial, guys, and it's just simple. I promise you, after this video you're going to learn how to make a look cut for your kids, guys. Now, as you can see, as I'm taking it down gently by gently, guys, do not rush the cut. Now let's watch how I do this, please. After that, guys, we go over to the back, guys. Just no adjustment, just keep it like that and keep taking it down, guys. Let's go, guys. Now that place is a round spot. You really have to be very careful, guys. That place is a really round spot, guys. You have to be really careful there, guys. After that, we wash the hair also while barbing the hair, guys. Don't forget it also, gently. After that, we go over to the other part. Same process, same procedure, guys. Same process, same procedure, guys. I promise you, guys, this is the simplest cut you should learn in 2026, guys. After that, we are going over to the lineup after making sure that the hair is neat, guys. Now, this is the hardest part in barbing, but we use the ABC method. I usually say this on my video. Go back to my channel to learn how to use this method to carve a patient's hair, to carve a client's hair, guys. Let's watch this video, guys. Now, guys, you also head over to the other side. As usual, gently, do not rush the process, guys. And I usually use the powder, the baby powder, because for beginners, if you use this baby powder, it will help you spot mistake immediately and correct it before going through your razor or your lancet, guys. That is why the baby powder is important for beginners, and it helps me a lot. Guys, yeah, we go over to the back also. The same procedure, as you can see. Now we go over to the back. We're shaping the back also, guys. You see, just follow what you see on the hair and don't overcomplicate it, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's watch the video, guys. Right there, yeah. Okay. After that, as you can see, the hair is looking neat and my client is very happy, guys. Nice, guys. After that, you can take your brush to clean the hair. You can do some enhancement. Probably my clients don't want some enhancement. He's a schoolboy. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.